hold your breath, make a wish. Count to 3, come with me and you will see how we make EJs great again.
Ticket raffle will receive an all-expenses-paid trip to come see behind the scenes at the IAG factory. While here, they will also take delivery of either a Stage 4 EJ block or a Stage 3 FA closed deck. There are 2 ways to get tickets, either in the goodie bags at all Subie Events shows this year, or by making a purchase at the IAG booth over $500. The only way to enter is to come to the IAG booth in person and drop off your completely filled out ticket stub. The drawing will take place the day before Thanksgiving on Wednesday, November 27, 2019. Stay tuned.